What is up? I am back with another Loot Crate unboxing. Let's just get into this, because you read all... Ooh. Wait, what's this? Official member. That's cool. Awesome. First off, we got a shirt, which is awesome. The theme for this month is adventure. So it's like Minecraft, Zelda... I think Adventure Time, but I don't really care about that. Oh, that is tight. I still use the word tight. That's pretty cool. And when you order Loot Crate, you give them your size, and it should be all ready to go. That is pretty awesome. Alright, next up, a Minecraft hanger. Keychain thing. Where's the thing? There it is. What did we get? We got a pig. Okay. That's fun. Okay. I sound so excited. This is Adventure Time. I don't really care about Adventure Time, but let's see what we get anyway. Seems really small for a big ass tin canister. Oh, I got this thing. Who likes this? Because I don't. I don't want it. It's garbage. To me, that's garbage. So I'll put all my garbage in this thing. Garbage. Garbage. Alright. Ooh, bottle opener. Oh, that's awesome. Well, let me try to get this. Focus, please. It's dangerous to go alone. Take this. That's pretty... I like that. That's cool. A pin for this month's Loot Crate Adventure. The Friend Zone soundtrack. Okay. I've never heard of the Friend Zone. I don't know what. Watch Friday. It doesn't say where it's on. That's kind of dumb. The Friend Zone soundtrack. Watch Fridays 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific. Doesn't say where you can watch it, but you can watch it. Captain Sparkle stickers. He's a YouTuber who does Minecraft videos. Focus, please. There you go. Yeah, that's cool. Some more stickers. Markiplier tats. Okay. More Polaris stuff. People from the YouTube network Polaris, they've picked out some stuff for this month's Loot Crate. And this is some of the stuff they picked. I don't know what this is. I know Captain Sparkle was Polaris, whatever. But yeah, here's my stuff. That's cool. I wish I would have got something else. Like, I don't know, Creeper or something. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Have a good day.